Which geographer was the author of the famous book Cosmos? Alexander Humboldt. If there are two full moons in a calendar month, then second full moon is called blue moon. What is the temperature at which air becomes saturated called dew point? Westerlies generally flow between which latitudes on the either side of the equator? 30 and 60 degrees. What are the temperate pastures in Australia called? Downs. Where does the river Ganga enter the northern fertile plains in India? Haridwar. How many states does the longest national highway of India, NH44, pass through? 12. Which lines join the regions of equal snow? Isonives. Andes Mountains are the examples of which type of mountains? Fold mountains. When does the autumnal equinox occur approximately? September 23. Mahanadi River originating in Amarkantak range shows which type of drainage pattern? Radial drainage pattern. Which is the nearest spiral galaxy to us? Andromeda Galaxy. Which type of volcanic eruptions form the basalt plateaus? Fissure volcanic eruptions. Bering Strait in the Pacific Ocean separates which two regions? Russia and Alaska. What are the crescent-shaped sand dunes formed by the wind called? Barkans.